Hi guys, welcome back to my channel DI Tech Creator. Guys, today in this video you can see this is the Usha Janome Barbie model automatic sewing machine. So in this video I am going to unboxing and review and how to stitching with this automatic sewing machine. I will show in this video. So let's watch the full video. I am going to unboxing this machine and see. As you can see, this is it. Regulator. So guys, how to stitch with this automatic sewing machine I will show you. This is the automatic electronic
sewing machine.
You can see guys, I am unboxing. So guys, with this stitching machine you can stitch in 21 design. I will show you. You can see guys, 21 stitch functions. You can see guys, 21 stitch functions. So I will show in this video. You can see guys, this is the bobbin. How to put, how to insert I will show now. So guys, you can see this is the B and 4. So now stitch how look you can see. Guys, this is a normal stitching. You can see guys. You can see guys. This is the B and 4. You can set A, then you can see same. You can see guys, same. You can see. Now zigzag. This is the zigzag 4. You can see guys, this is the zigzag 4. This is the handle. This is the handle. You can see. So how to replace it? You can see. Now, you can see guys, this is the zigzag 4. You can see how low. This is the info in C position. Now D and S position. This D I will stitch in this this design. Now let's see. So guys, you can see now. Let's check. You can see guys. So guys, E. This is the E. E. Let's see how look. You can see guys, this is the E. E position. So guys, there are many options you can change. You can see there are many options. You can see guys, this is a 4. With this 4 you can stitch the bottom. I will show how to stitch the bottom. So replace the zigzag 4. Insert this 4. You can see, guys. Guys, in this position and this position, you can see, guys, this is the turn. Start to turn. So now this is zero position. You can see, guys. You can see. This again. And this will again. So you can see, guys. You can see, guys. Thank you, guys, for watching. For more information, if you want to know more, so comment in the comment box. I will show how to stitch. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, like, comment and share.